Intro. Welcome back. Today, we are breaking down the Q4 FY26 standalone financial results for Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC. Let's understand how this asset management business performed this quarter and what the numbers indicate for investors. Dividend. The board has recommended a strong final dividend of 25.50 rupees per share. The exact record date will be intimated separately. This reflects a strong payout commitment for the financial year and directly rewards shareholders. It also signals management confidence in the business and cash generation ability. Total income. Total income for the quarter stood at 422 crore rupees. This includes operating revenue of 455.24 crore rupees and negative other income of 33.24 crore rupees. Quarter on quarter, income declined by 24.5%, while year on year, it fell by 14.6%. Negative other income significantly impacted the overall top line. Expenses. Total expenses came in at 197.85 crore rupees. Employee benefits formed the largest cost component at 99.40 crore rupees, while other expenses stood at 69.29 crore rupees. Despite weaker income, the company managed to keep its core operating costs relatively stable compared to the previous quarter. This shows good operating discipline. EBITDA. Operating performance, or EBITDA, came in at 237.95 crore rupees. This represents a sharp quarter-on-quarter decline of 36.8% and a year-on-year contraction of 24.4%. EBITDA margin stood at 52.2%. Margins also took a hit, as overall revenue lines contracted, showing pressure on operational profitability this quarter. Profit before tax. Profit before tax declined sharply to 224.15 crore rupees. This represents a quarter-on-quarter decline of 37.9% and a year-on-year decline of 26.3%. Volatility in financial markets and weaker other income heavily impacted profitability at the pre-tax level. Profit after tax. Net profit for the standalone business stood at 191.74 crore rupees. Quarter-on-quarter, PAT declined by 29.6%, while year-on-year it fell by 15.7%. However, PAT margin remained very strong at 45.4%, showing the highly cash-generative nature of the AMC business. Earnings per share. Basic EPS for the quarter was reported at 6.64 rupees per share. Following the same trend as net profit, EPS declined by 29.6% sequentially and 15.7% year-on-year. This reflects softer profitability for the quarter. Summary. Overall, Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC delivered a mixed quarter. Revenue showed volatility, mainly because of negative other income, which pushed profitability lower compared to both the previous quarter and last year. However, margins remained strong at 52.2% EBITDA margin and 45.4% PAT margin, while the final dividend of 25.50 rupees clearly reflects management confidence. Strong cash generation continues to remain the key strength of this business. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.